Dynamics makes LED lights, which are plug and play into different car sockets. You have different outage or outputs, and so for the reds, I got a pair of the HP11s, which puts out about 350 lumens. For the rear parking lights and running lights, and then I got the XP80s, which put out about 550 lumens if I'm not mistaken, which is for the actual active brake light. I also got a set of ambers. Again, XP80 is the strongest for the turn signals, and then finally super whites for the reverse lights. So we're gonna install these in this video here today. So first step is to install the to remove the lenses, and they just come off with a simple flathead Phillips head screwdriver. Center lens, turn signal lens, and reverse light lens. So the first one I'm anxious to change is the turn signal, because the turn signals oftentimes have problems with the need for relays and things like that. I ordered an amber lens, which is yellow, because my plans later on are to replace the outer red lens with a different type of lens that will allow the amber to shine through. And I will disclose that at a different date. But anyway, to remove these lenses is really straightforward. You just push in, turn, and out comes the bulb. And then in goes the new bulb, like so. And that's it. So let's see if this works. There we go. That's bright. As you can see though, turn signal is not working. It's too fast. So what that tells us is this is a no. I need to get a resistor for this side. So for now, this will have to wait till I get a resistor. So put that back in. Bummer. So definitely much brighter. If I'm mistaken, this reverse light could be super light white. We'll see. This is the reverse light. It's got these big heat sinks on it. Okay. It's kind of flickering, but it probably needs a resistor on that one too. Now, let's see how they look again compared to the other side. Parking lights. Big difference in terms of brightness. Great for nighttime safety. Second. Brake. Reverse. Flickering, but it's really bright, so I can deal with that.